Let us see how to use the verb are as a main verb in this video. Like am and is, the verb are is also used to speak about who you are, how you are, where you are, and what you are. Please do remember that the verb are should be used with the subjects we, you, and they, or with any plural number, and it should be used in present tense only. Let us see some examples. We are human beings. You are my best friend. They are my parents. These are my books. Those are our belongings. My friends are in the classroom now. The players are on the ground. So friends, use the verb are like this in your daily communication. Hope you like it. Please stay tuned to our channel for more videos. See you all.